Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to crochet amazing pattern. This is my own stitch pattern. I created it recently. So my stitch consists of 3 small stitches. This is the one example. Pattern consists of 6 stitches and has 4 rows. And as you can see, my stitches located in different ways. So you can alternate one row with another one. Please write comment below the video what you will get with my video tutorial and where you will use this pattern. In this case I used half of the wool yarn, and here I used 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Let's look at it. You can use this pattern to create blanket, scarf, bags, or another accessories such as tunic or jacket. For this pattern you don't need special skills, and in this video you will see how to crochet it step by step. You can crochet from the top to the bottom or from the bottom to the top. It depends of your project. And please write comment below the video what you will get with me. For work I will use 1.4 crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. And for the second example I use double yarn. All additional information can be found in the description below the video. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Let's begin the work. Make a chain of 35. Pattern consists of 6 stitches. So my pattern repeats 5 times. In total I have got 30 chains plus 3 chains for more beautiful look and plus 2. So let's crochet. In total it should be 35 chains and pattern consists of 6 stitches. I have done 3 of them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I have done the chain and first row will be a row of single crochet. Make a chain to bring up the yarn, then insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook, make single crochet and make single crochet into each chain stitch like this. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. I have done a row of single crochet stitches. Let's crochet the pattern. It is going to be a first row of main pattern. Make some chains to bring up the yarn. Make a chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have done 5 chains and now turn the work. Then yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. This is my own stitches. It is going to be my own stitches. It is going to be triple stitches, or I call them miracle stitches or magic stitches. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop, then yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair, yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then pull through 3 loops at once, then pull through 3 loops, and pull through all loops on the hook. This is the double stitch. It is based on double treble crochet stitch. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, 1, 2, and 3. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, and pull through 4 loops on the hook. My treble stitch is ready. Here is my 3 tops, 1, 2, 3. So my stitch is ready. Let's repeat again. Chain of 3. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch. Make double treble crochet stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm making the same way as I showed you before. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3. Then insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, and pull through 4 loops. Let's make the last stitch, 1, 2, 3. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, and pull through all loops on the hook. My second stitch is ready. Here what I have. Chain of 3, yarn over the hook 3 times, skip 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the 4th stitch, make a stitch, 1, 2, 3, and pull through. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. My first row of the pattern is ready. Let's complete this round together. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the chain stitch on the beginning of the previous round. 1, 2, 3, and pull through. Row is ready. Let's crochet row 2. It is going to be a row of single crochet. Make a chain to bring up the yarn, turn the work. I skip the first stitch. And as you can see, 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Make single crochet, 1, 2, 3, Insert the hook into the chain space, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. 3 single crochet in a row, 1, 2, 3. Make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this row together. This is the single crochet stitches. After I have done all stitches, make single crochet into the 5th chain stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make single crochet into 5th chain stitch. So my row is ready. Then chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. It is going to be row 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip the first stitch and work with the second one. Make double treble crochet stitch. Then I am going to work in the same way as I showed you before. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop. Pull up a loop and pull up a loop and pull up a loop into the next stitch, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, and pull through all loops on the hook. 1, 2, and 3. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through all loops on the hook. My stitch is ready. Then I am going to do double treble crochet stitch into the next stitch. 1, my stitch is ready. 1, 2, 3. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through all loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through all loops on the hook. My second stitch is done. So make double treble crochet stitch into the next stitch and make the triple stitch. So I'm going to do this row in this way till the end of this row. Keep working in this way till the end of this row, then I will show you how to complete this row. This is the row 3, and now I show you how to complete this row together. Yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make double treble crochet stitch. My row is ready. It was row 3. And now I need to do a row of single crochet. Chain, turn the work. It is going to be a row 4. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. And single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. So I will count. For me it's very comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here are my stitches. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row. Let's complete this row together. This is the row 4. Make single crochet into the 5th chain stitch. This is the 5th chain stitch from the bottom, and from the top this is the first stitch. So make single crochet. So my pattern is ready. It consists of only 2 rows and pattern consists of 6 stitches. Let's crochet row 1 of the main pattern. This one. I will crochet this one. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip the first stitch and make double treble crochet stitch into the second stitch. Then make triple stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through all loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through all loops on the hook. Chain of 3. Yarn over the hook 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch. Make double treble crochet stitch. I have done the first stitch in the 5th row. This row will be as the first one in the main pattern. Here what I have. So you should crochet such pattern as many times as you need. So my swatches are ready. Let's look at them. Pattern consists of only 4 rows and has 6 stitches. I located my stitches in different ways, so you can alternate one row with next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. I showed you step by step, so it is not difficult. Please write comment below the video what you will get with my video. Thank you so much for watching and crochet with me. See you in the next video. Bye!